Aloha King and Queens, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing Dolce&Gabbana sweatshirts. And who is excited? Alright, so I've heard you guys said yes, so let's go on unbox. Alright, so there's two boxes inside, and I've seen one hanger. And it comes with one hanger. Ayan guys. And comes with the receipt. And let's open it, guys. And how much did I purchase this sweatshirt? It says there, Dolce&Gabbana, Aloha location. Purchased it for a total of $854 US. Okay guys, let's start unboxing. So first box would be ayan. So this is a Dolce&Gabbana's apparel bag. So every time you purchase anything from the apparel section at Dolce&Gabbana, you'll get an option to get an apparel bag and a hangers. Just talk to your local client advisor. Ayan guys, so let's start unboxing the second box. Oh la la, look at that. Isn't it lovely? Gorgeous. I love the colors. Yes. Look at that sweatshirt, guys. It comes with a tag, of course. It says Dolce&Gabbana. Comes with a barcode. And of course, the information of the product. So this is a jersey hoodie with a feather print, of course. And in a blue color. I don't know why it says blue, but I've seen a green color. Well, any further ado guys, so in the Narciso collection, men are the undisputed stars. Men who are confident about their good looks and their refined elegance. The visually shrinking prints are inspired by the extraordinary beauty of a peacock and the wonderful color that adorn them. So the result is a wonderful, captivating collection built around warm, fine fabrics such as velvet, silks, and brocades in shimmery green, teal, gold, and endless array of shades. Cotton jersey sweatshirts with a feather print. And this is in a regular fit, guys. Drawstring hood with a branded metal eaglets. Sketch, knit, hem, and cut. The piece measures 72 centimeter and 28.3 inches from the rare color seam on a size IT48. I like this one guys because it's stretchable. It's so comfortable and it's so cozy. Love the feeling of it, guys. So the external part, guys, is all made 100% cotton. The internal part is made 100% velvet. Ayan, guys. So please listen carefully. And this is how it looks like on the model, guys. So please take a look at it. Isn't it lovely? And the bark portion, gorgeous. And let's take a closer look, guys. Look at that vibrant colors. Gorgeous. Ooh. There we go. Look at the gold material they use. It's with an imprint of D&G. Lovely. And that's all for us today, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And I will see you guys again next time. So this is Jen Collins Network saying ahoy ho and aloha. Bye everyone.